Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here, welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'll show you what cars do you get if you buy the season pass. This is gonna be interesting, so make sure to subscribe, like, share. There's interesting cars if you purchase the season pass for the Crew 2. So let's jump to it. Let me show you what actually you get, and there's a small bonus in the end, so make sure to watch the video. So let's go to the vehicles and let me show you what cars do you get. So the first car that you get is, let me see, it's the Corvette ZR1. This car actually is pretty decent. Classic. I love this car. It just sounds amazing. So let me show you all the cars. So you get the Corvette ZR1. Also, you get Mercedes AMG C633S Coupe. This is pretty cool as well. Also, you get the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution X. This is from 2014. Also, you get the Porsche Cayman GT4. This is a really nice car. This thing sounds amazing. This thing is amazing. So you get the Porsche GT4. Also, you get the TVR Griffith. Yeah, I think it's called Griffith. This is a British brand TVR from 2017. Also, you get a Porsche 911 Turbo 3.6. This is from 93. This thing is amazing. This is one of the cars that you get as well. Classic Porsche. This thing is amazing. Yeah. Also, what else you get? Let me show you. So you get the Porsche. You get the Porsche. Where is the Porsche? This thing is... yeah, this one. This is pretty nice. 911 Turbo 3.6 from 93. Also, you get the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quattrofoglio. This from 2017. This thing is amazing as well. Seriously, this Alfa sounds amazing. This thing is amazing. Okay, so you get the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quattrofoglio. I think this is the name. Also, you get the Spiker C8, which this thing looks like a plane. This thing is amazing as well. This thing is amazing, so you get this card as well. Also, you get the KTM X-Bow R from 2016. This thing is fun, but I don't have a parts for some reason. I need to get some parts. Yeah, but this thing is fun to drive. Also, you get the GLC 250 Formati Coupe. This is fun. Also, you get a Skyline GTR R34. This is a drift edition. So if you don't have a drift car, this is pretty nice. Yeah, this thing sounds amazing. Obviously my drifting skills are not perfect, but yeah, this is nice. So you get this R34 as well, drift edition. Also you get, what do you get else? Oh, you get the bike as well. Yeah, I forgot about the bike. You get the Suzuki GSX R1000R. This thing is amazing as well. Ooh. Yeah, this thing is amazing. So you get this bike as well. Also, what do you get? Let me see. You get this Porsche 911 GT3 RS RD limited edition. This thing is amazing, and I still don't have parts for this car, but this thing is very fast. Let me show you. This thing is amazing. So you get this Porsche as well. This is like a limited edition. Also, you get this car as well. This is for demolition, but I don't know. This looks strange. But some people like this type of games. Yeah, you get this as well for free. Well, not for free, but including in the season pass. Also, you get Audi RS3 LMS. This thing is amazing. Let me show you. This thing is very fast. And looks so mean. Yeah, you get this Audi as well, which is very nice. Also, you get the BMW M6 GT3. This thing is okay. It's not very fast. I mean, it is, but I was expecting something better, but it's alright. Oops, that was close. Yeah, so you get this BMW as well. Also, you get the Ferrari FXXK from 2014. This thing is brilliant. This thing is amazing. And this thing sounds amazing as well. And this thing looks amazing. And it's very fast. Okay, this was nice. Yeah, so you get this Ferrari as well. Also, what do you get? You get this boat, which is nice. Also, you get this strange thing. Also, you get 2 planes as well, which is pretty decent if you like planes. Yeah, pretty much this is all. But the cool thing that's actually when you buy the season pass is you get a house basically. So if you go to the map and you get a house. Which is pretty nice. So basically this is your house. When you get inside, basically it's the hub. But it's your hub. And you can go out. Which is pretty cool. And also you get some outfit as well. You get a couple of suits for free. This including in the season pass as well. And also you get future discounts, which is always nice. So you get basically a couple of helmets, some outfit as well. Also you get a suit for free, this is kind of nice. But overall, I think the season pass is worth it because I mean you get like 25 cars and some of the cars are pretty cool. So there you have it guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. Let me know in the comments, do you think that the season pass is worth it or not? See you in the next video.